how to orange triangle Instagram DMs. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the DM icon on the top right of your screen and you will be led to the direct messages tab. Here, navigate to the conversation that you want to orange triangle and further swipe towards the left on the conversation and you will see the three dots there. Tap on the three dots there and you will see the option for flag. So tap on the flag option and now as you can see here on the screen there is an orange triangle beside the conversation, which means the DM has been flagged. And if you want to unflag it, you can simply go ahead and unflag the conversation anytime you want. So simply swipe towards the left on the screen again and then tap on the three dots and you will see the option for unflag. Tap on the unflag option and with this the DM will be unflagged. So this is how you can do the orange triangle Instagram DMs. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.